Oh, they need me?
Yes. Or they need value-preneurship.
Wow. Okay. It's a very okay. Now you put me on the spot. I can talk about others and I can talk about business, and but I get shy when I'm talking about me. There's a simple question, Armin, that I ask business heads. Whether it's a giant corporation or whether it's an entrepreneur who's doing a startup, and the question is this: that in your organization, there is what is the degree of valuepreneurship that exists today? And you'd be shocked and surprised, Armin, that no one to date, even they haven't talked to me before, they haven't read the book, they don't know what valuepreneurship is, it's the first time they're hearing the word. No one says, oh, valuepreneurship, what's that? I get an answer because people start to get this because value is a very, very strong notion nowadays, especially because of what we said, the information, COVID, all this kind of stuff. It's become so huge. And then preneurship, of course, coming from the French. Um, Entrepreneurship. So people give me an answer and people say, oh, 40%. I get an answer between 30 and 40. It's kind of safe. It's not too low. And yet it's on this side 50. And then my question is, I see. So what you're saying is that 40% of the times your sales force and every commercial person who's interacting with customers every interaction with customers is going through an obsession of understanding what's happening behind the scenes in the hearts and mind of the customer, and has got that completely in their heart, right? They're asking the right questions, they're not selling product, they're building trust capital, and really having those conversations to look at the issue behind the issue behind the product that they're offering. And also 40% of times when your teams are sitting to do a project, or start or looking at a transaction, they are driving that discussion not through, okay, this is the way we should do it, no, this is the way we should do it, no, this is the way we should do it, no, this is the way. So then conflicts build up. And they are 40% of the time driving it from the value, actually the value impact of the customer. And then the answer is, if you put it like that, Sanjeev, and I'll tell you the brave ones, people come down to guaranteed 10 or 15%. The brave ones take it down to 5 and say, no, it doesn't happen like that. Now I have a simple question to ask, and that is that what would a shift of 15%, not 80, 15% of valuepreneurship as a culture, and not just as a culture, but in every project, transaction, business planning, business approach, you're doing valuepreneurship, what will it bring you at the bottom line as EBITDA growth? And it's a very, very easy question to answer. Interestingly, on my website, which is valuepreneurship.com, if you scroll down the front page, on the homepage, there's a fun exercise on like the third part of the landing page. And anyone can just go in there and and it's like there's about 6 or 7 questions that you answer about your organization, right? It takes about 5 minutes, and it gives you your valuepreneurial coefficient.